Hello and welcome to this Spark tutorial of how to download or transfer a dataset with AWS S3. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to download or transfer Spark datasets over 5 GB in size with AWS. First, we will learn how to get an AWS account, install the Command Line Interface for AWS, and entering the commands to acquire a copy of the Spark dataset. AWS is a cloud-based web services platform offered by Amazon. For the Spark portal, we use the AWS S3 service to host and distribute our datasets. AWS is recommended if you want to download datasets or files that are over 5 GB in size. If a dataset is under this threshold, or you only are looking to download parts of a dataset, you can download the dataset or files folders directly from the Datasets Details page. AWS is a virtual hosting solution that offers many products for you to use. One of those products is Amazon's Simple Storage Service, or S3. You can think of S3 as an unlimited cloud-based hard drive where you only pay for what you use. An S3 bucket is like a secure online folder that you can transfer data to and from your local computer or other S3 buckets, such as the Spark portal's S3 buckets. AWS has a number of servers located around the world. When setting up your S3 bucket, you will need to choose a region that you would like to host your bucket. It is recommended that you choose the same region as the Spark's S3 bucket, as that will save on transfer costs. The Spark datasets are made available free of charge for any researcher to use and incorporate in any of their own research work. However, some datasets are very large in size, and thus it would be cost prohibitive to provide and host datasets on the Spark web servers for direct download. Amazon's AWS service was chosen as the most economical alternative for both Spark and investigative researchers. AWS charges a modest fee for downloading from S3 buckets. There is no initial cost to get an AWS account, and they provide a limited 12-month free trial that you can use to get started with downloading datasets. The pricing calculator can be found at aws.amazon.com/s3/pricing.